Hello guys, if you've been looking for a way to make money online, well, all you need to do is to watch this video to the end, because I'll be sharing with you guys a website that you can earn an upwards of 200 Ghana cedis, okay, just by taking simple surveys, watching videos, or even playing games online. All you need to start earning money on this website is a phone or laptop which has an internet access, and you are good to get started right from the comfort of your home or offices or any other world or any other place you are in this world. Okay, if you're excited, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Go ahead and open your browser and search for SuperPayMe. Okay, I'll also put a link in the description for you guys. So with Super Payment, you can earn by taking surveys, playing games, or even watching videos on their site. So this site pays really well for services as compared to other sites. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see it has paid over $5 million using Amazon, PayPal, and Bitcoin or Scroll accounts. Okay, and if you don't have any of these accounts, don't get panic. Okay, you can go ahead and sign up and start earning money. Then whenever you create your account with a Bitcoin or PayPal, you can connect it to it and then start earning money on this site. Just click on the join today. Okay, click on the join today and go ahead and sign up. Okay, so whilst you are here, you need to fill in these details. Okay, so click, you sign up with your first name, your last name, username, password, and your password again. Make sure you are using the same password here, email, and your email again. Okay, and then click on next. Okay, click on next. Okay, so you fill in your address, anything. Okay, so as I said, if you don't have any of these payment accounts, you can just skip it and then later on try to add it. Okay, so you just have to and click on I'm not a robot. Okay, so an email will be sent to you on the email that you used to register. Okay, so you need to go to that email and search for the code that they've sent to you. Okay, to verify your account. So click on confirm. See, now it says you are ready to start making online rates. Super Pay Me. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of surveys here, and up to $40 each day. Register your profile and get 20 points. A lot of surveys in here. Okay, so all you have to do is to just click on any of these surveys here. Click on view or page surveys. Okay, so you can choose from any survey provider and get paid each survey that you complete. Okay, so based on what you want, then you click. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you can see they have international, okay, and local. So what you need to do is to just click on the surveys unlimited. Just click on that one. Okay, so you see, if you complete this survey right here, you will be paid $0.85. Okay, so just click on this. It will open a new tab. Okay, so you just need to enter your email address here so you can get started. Okay, and that's all you need to do to start making money online. Okay, that's all you need to do. So if you think this video was helpful to you, please let me know in the comment section, and also Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel.